In this video, I will be showing you guys about support and resistance. This strategy particularly has helped a lot of beginners. I have seen a lot of testimonials from people who have used support and resistance and they have seen significantly good results. So I will be breaking down everything step by step about my support and resistance strategy, and I will be sharing some pro tips so that you guys could learn something new. Now, support and resistance is technical, so let's dive into the video and I will show you guys everything. Setting the timer to 2 minutes. Yeah, that's it guys, very simple. Let's find some opportunity. Beautiful guys, you see that, right? I'm not gonna lie, I think I want to take a trade here for 1 minute and a 2 minute. But because in this particular video I'm only doing 2 minutes, I'm gonna keep it at 2. The reason for that is because guys, this candle right here, it's a high chance it will close as a red candle. I'm going to explain everything. Watch this. Now if you pay attention here, there was a engulfing candle, very strong one, plus a breakaway gap. Look at that. I wanted to take a 1 minute and a 2 minute, but I just didn't, but it's okay. Now I'm going to show you guys how to draw the support and resistance levels. Okay, now let me remove this real quick. Let me remove everything. I just marked it because I wanted to see the levels clearly at the time. Let me show you something. Look at this, is going to be so interesting today guys. So we mark the first rejection, the first move, right? This is the first one right here, the second one, and then the third time the price came and created an engulfing candle. But there is a but, because you have to learn how to draw support and resistance effectively. Now for the first touch of the support and resistance, if you notice right here, I draw my line all the way to the wick. I'm going to repeat this. For the first touch, make sure the price is at the highest point of this wick right here. Okay, this one. And then the second line supposed to be at this area of the body and the candle. I'm going to explain everything furthermore in the next trade. Okay, so I keep taking trades here because, hold on, let me check this real quick. What's going on here? Guys, I missed this opportunity. Look at this right here. I don't mean to stray away from the previous trade, but look at this. You see this? What happened? First touch, second touch, the price came, rejected, engulfing candle, 1-2 trades. This would be a winning trade. No guys, to be honest, I'm sharing one of the mentorship strategy with you guys here, and I'm just giving you guys this strategy as a gift, okay, for you being a loyal subscriber to me. This is one of the mentorship strategies, I'm being honest, and I'm sharing it with you guys today because I just feel like I'm supposed to give you guys back for all the support that you have shown me. Let me check about this trade. I want to know which trade is this exactly I am on. Hold on guys, let me see which trade is this. Okay, I want to have this trade with me, so I want to come back and look at it. Let me see what's going on over this one. Okay, now guys, remember I was here previously, right? I'm just trying to move through everything very quickly guys, bear with me. Now if you notice, we have the first touch, second touch, then the third one, engulfing candle. I took this was a winning trade, very beautiful winning trade. Now I saw that a momentum formed, a 2-bar actually, yeah, it was a momentum formed, so I decided to take this trade, but I took it with discount entry because this momentum was overextended, and you guys see that my discount entry is helping me at the moment with the strategy. And this trade is a beautiful winning trade. So I want 2 trades back to back on the same pair. You see how incredible that is? Support and resistance is like, it's a golden ticket, guys. Trust me. Let's find the other opportunity which I was talking about. This one right here, I was saying if you were here you could have took this trade. Right now I could have took a trade right here. See, 1 2, I would have won that. Even if I was here after this engulfing candle form, I could have took this for 1 2 and I would won. Even if I took it for 1 2 3 minutes. And if you were here early enough, you could have took this trade after the engulfing candle form. 1 2 candles, you will win for sure. 3 candles, 4 candles, you would win. So let's find some more opportunity, and I'm going to take some more trades, and I'm going to mark some more support and resistance to show you guys clearly enough. I'm so excited to talk about this topic. I was planning to give you guys one of the strategies from out of the mentorship as a gift, and I'm doing it right now. So I hope you guys appreciate it, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below thanks or whatever you want to say. Okay, let's find some more opportunity. Beautiful, beautiful. You see that breakaway gap, 2 bar going higher. You see how the price jumping high, and we are coming from a support area. You notice, guys, we have the first, let me remove these again, my bad. I want to show you guys everything from scratch because I want you guys to have a strong understanding of this strategy. Okay, you can practice this strategy by using the link in the description to do so right now after the video or whatever, but I'm going to show you guys everything step by step over and over until you get it. Now you see this right here, we have what? A support area. Remember, we mark it from the lowest side of the first touch. You see that? First touch, second touch, then the third time the price came down, created a hammer candle, then another candle. Guys, to be honest with you, my trade should have been on this candle right here. I would have cleared this win. You see that? If you were here and you take this trade, 1 2 candles, that's a winning trade. But I was late at the time when I reached here, but now I'm still in the plus because the price is continue going in my direction, because this support area is aligned with the trend. Remember, I talk about the trend, rally base rally. You see the movement, right? So therefore we're in the right direction also. So there's so many confluences with this trade, guys, it's crazy. This trade can even be used as a forex strategy, futures, stocks, indices, crypto, anything, because this is price action right here. Look how the price is moving. Look at that, look at that. You're seeing everything live in 4K, guys. Come on now. See, support area, the price rejected, created a 2 bar up, breakaway gap. I took that trade, boom, that was a win. Imagine in forex how many pips is this. If you're even on the 1 hour time frame, this is a lot of pips. I'm gonna take this trade even though I'm late. I see this momentum going up, and if you look clearly, there is a support area. Look at this, look at this. Remember, we mark it to the lowest of the first touch, and look at this. First touch, second touch, the price came back down. The third time created a momentum. Again, if I was here, this would be much better, right? Because I would have 1 2 clear that trade beautiful. Even if I was here 1 2, I would have cleared that trade beautiful. Now guys, I'm gonna say something. It's best to take it when it's early, like from the first or the second candle. When it reached to the third candle, the price might be overextended, which means the accuracy might declines. Okay, and this is something you have to understand and apply to your sessions when you're trading. Try to take it very early because you don't want to be late and then lose the trade. But I took this regardless because I saw this hammer candle which looks very promising, and I saw this inverted hammer which signals to me that sellers have entered the market, but they created a higher high compared to the previous high. So I'm using candlestick psychology right here. So that's the reason why I took it, even though there was a momentum, because my probability is still high enough for the price to continue going in my direction. And as you see, that is what, that's what going on right now. But let's run back to the level area. You see the first touch, second touch, rejection right here. See that, guys? It becomes risky, but it seems as if I won 2 trades and lose 1, which is fine. I lose 1 trade and win 2, so that's fine. I'm still in profit. This trade is very interesting. Let me mark to show you guys. Remember the first touch to the lowest point, and then we have the first touch, second touch, and then the third one. Now let me tell you why this trade is so interesting. Now you saw that this was a third touch and the engulfing candle form plus a rally base rally combined, 2 bar going higher, and we're also in the direction of the new trend, because you could see that the price is coming down, then there was a trend going up, and we saw the rally base rally. To be honest, guys, my entry should have been right here. I was going to enter, but the price was already all the way here, and I didn't want to, I already lost a trade previously. I didn't want to risk it too much, but now I see that this is a inside gap now, continuation sign. The price is highly likely to go further up because it will try to close this gap, plus this continuation sign will push the price higher. Plus we have a momentum here. It's best, as I said, I was talking about the momentum previously. I was just saying to you guys that it's best to enter before the momentum. Okay, now this momentum looking very healthy because there is a continuation sign. All right, but the main thing why I entered this was because of the resistance area. Don't forget that. That's what this trade is about. It's the main thing. And you guys see the drawings right here. As I said, you can practice this strategy by using the link in description. And if you want to learn these strategies on a deeper level, you can apply for mentorship. Okay, because I teach all of these strategies in my mentorship. Beautiful. So this trade was a successful win, and this will be the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video and if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys will want to see next. Bye for now.